It's something interesting that just popped up. These rocks here, these rocks hold memory. So all the ancient remnants, like if you look at that one over there, it got dents in it or something. But I'm precisely trying to say that these rocks are a part of ancient memory. Like literally, this can be a tablet right here. You know, if we go deeper. Then you look like you got a piece of basalt down here. Look like I found me a piece of a basalt rock. Look at that. Look how crystallized this motherfucking rock is though. You see that? This rock got memory. This rock, you can literally hold this rock in your hand, put it in between your legs, and meditate. And yes, you can get memory. You can unlock genetic memory inside of your blood cells. Like, the occultists know that everything is to be studied. Everything is to be observed. You know, there's something that corresponds with something. There's a polarity with this rock. This rock has some harmony. This rock has compassion. I can go on and on, but the purpose is, if you're not studying to show yourself approved, then you will not get a total understanding to what is actually going on out here. Literally. Like, why do things exist? Because of nothingness. And now you got something. You know, this looks like a ship right here too, you know, in so many words. Then you got nature back there. Well, this is nature also. But one thing I learned out being out here is no one bothers you. No one questions you. No one asks you for anything. It is total freeness. Freeing the dome. Literally. Just because they spray doesn't mean we don't lay. You know? Well, is that your original sun? If there's a sun behind that sun and another sun behind that sun, or is that actually me looking at me? Yeah. So, where am I going with this? In order to understand the sciences, in order to understand the hidden sciences, you must study to show thyself approved. You can't be out here regurgitating anyone the information, no matter who the fuck they is. Don't give a fuck how many views they got, how many followers they got. Because your soul can discern. They sit here and tell you there's no good, there's no bad down here. Well, what is sickness? What is mucus? So on the other side of healthy is sickness. What's in the middle of sickness? Right. Is that harmony? Is that balance? Who's to say that? Yeah. What's in the middle of all that is your pineal gland. Yeah. This is what this rock just represented right now. On God. I understood that. Okay. You grabbed this because you glowing. These are just self-talks that you have with self. What's understood don't need to be explained. And who are you to prove yourself to anyone if you are the zero? Someone's trying to become your one. You gotta know both sides of the fence. So if you haven't conquered your 3 lower chakras, then you can't get to your 3 upper chakras. It's all magical, you know. We must understand that everything is energy. But if you are free and your vortex is closed, then how can you be? Right. Infiltration is for hybrids. Filtration is for natural people. Now go on and let that water roll off your kidneys.